Hey friends and family, it's your boy Chef Mo with the bow tie, and today I'm going to be making a special lunch for ladies, or a group of ladies in my church group, and I'm going to be making white chicken chili. And the link and the recipe will be down in the description below. Go check it out after this video. I'm going to be using 2 chickens, 2 cans of white kidney beans, heavy whipping cream, diced yellow onions, and cream cheese. Go ahead and wash your hands and let's get started. What I'm doing is de-skinning the chicken and making sure there's no meat attached to the chicken. Done shredding my chickens, and after I'm done, I'm going to set them aside. I'm going to be melting 4 tablespoons of butter on medium-high heat so I can saute my onions. My butter's melting. I am going to be putting in half a container of my onions. I decided to put the rest of my onions in, and now I'm going to be putting 1 tablespoon of garlic in. Now I'm going to be stirring it. And when I add my cream cheese, it's going to be adding a texture and a different taste to it. And also it's going to be thickening it. Now I'm going to be adding my cream cheese. Guys, this smells so good, and like I said, the cream cheese is going to help give it a different taste and texture, give it a different texture. And I'm going to be adding 4 cups of heavy whipping cream, but I'm going to just start off with 2 cups right now and then put my other 2 in later as needed. Now I'm going to stir it and see if I need more cream. Okay guys, this smells amazing, but I'm going to let this warm up and then I'm going to get my kidney beans. For my seasonings, I'm going to be adding some black pepper, garlic powder, and then for a secret ingredient, what I'm using will be in the description, which is my secret ingredient. Now I'm going to stir it all together. Putting my kidney beans, and one of them still has the juice in it. And then after, I'm going to be adding my chicken, then stirring it all together. This may look like a lot, and it is, because I doubled the recipe. I put more of my seasonings. Like I said, everything will be in the description below. Guys, this smells so good, and I'm going to go ahead and try it. But the original recipe will serve 10 to 15 people. This recipe, if you double it, will serve 20 to 25 people. And you want to let it marinate for 30 minutes, but I'm not going to wait that long. And another person that's going to be trying it is my brother, so I'm going to go ahead and call him down. I have here Quentin Gilden Jr. He is going to be helping me try my white chicken chili.
I'm so excited. I'm so pumped.
Okay, let's go ahead and try this.
Get a smell first. Smells super good.
Yes.
Look at it. Look at it, guys. That looks so good.
This is a great comfort food when it starts getting cold outside, because it's just warm and it just fills your body up. It's amazing.
You have to cook this when it gets colder.
Yes. Okay, it's been your boy Chef Mo with the bow tie. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace.